Hello, welcome to this episode of Cooking with JennyO. Today we'll be making some seasoned baked salmon. Try it at home. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to this episode of Cooking with JennyO. We will be making some baked seasoned pink salmon. It will be very delicious. So you can get salmon from any grocery store, whatever your favorite grocery store is. You should be able to find some salmon in the meat section. So first thing I normally do, I take the salmon out of the bag. Now I thawed some salmon already. It's a little bit thawed. It's still a little bit hard as well. But one of the things I also normally do is to rinse my salmon. I know that might sound a little weird, but it's to get the gooky goo off the salmon. So we're going to open it up. So how is everyone doing today? Hopefully everyone has been having great days and weeks and months. But if you have not been having great days, weeks, and months, then I will just say little prayers for you and hope that everything gets better for you in life. So let's take this salmon out. Look at that. Ooh, that looks really good. Yum, yum, yum. Put that in there. Open this one. Yeah, I've been doing pretty okay. I have a lot of new shows that I will be making on this channel. Oh, can I not open it? Okay, in that case, let's use this knife. Watch your finger whenever you use a knife, please watch your fingers. I'm chopping that. You don't want to open, do ya? Oh. Okay, we'll come back to that one. I might use some scissors for that one. Okay. But yeah, I have a lot of different episodes of many different things. Some drama, some action. Probably even some singing too, y'all. I can sing. I don't know if you know this. I'm not no Aretha Franklin or nothing, but I can sing some songs. Yeah, just have a little fun. My channel's not really all that serious. I just, I like to put all kinds of stuff on my channel. Just for the fun of it. Why? Because I can. And it's really enjoyable and exciting to be able to do that. Alright, so we have our salmon in here. We're going to rinse the salmon, get some fresh water. Yeah. I just like to rinse everything. I always rinse my meats. Always. So we're rinsing it off. That. Okay. That's nicely rinsed. Put it in the pan. Hopefully this pan is big enough. If it is not big enough, then oh well. We will make it fit. Let's put it like that. It will be made to fit in there. That. And our last one. Yeah, this one's kind of wide. But you know, we'll fit it in. I think it might shrink anyways once it starts to cook a little bit. So let's put that there. And we'll stick that one right there. Look at that. Looks good, don't it? And now we're going to, let's move that to the side. The way I make my baked salmon is, first I get a nice sized pan. And then I add some water. You might want to add about half a cup or maybe a cup of water. But you want to pour the water first before you add your seasoning. You don't want too much water to be in here. Remember in the other episode, the way I cooked some baked seasoned chicken? You're going to want your water to be halfway of the pan, but not flowing over the salmon. If that makes any sense. Because if it's flowing over the salmon, the water is going to get your spices and seasoning off of the top of the salmon. And you don't want that. So, I have enough water in here. Perfect. We're going to be using different seasonings. We have some lemon pepper, sage, curry powder. Yes, I love to put different seasonings. Turmeric. Some, what's this? Creole seasoning. Oh my God, I cannot pronounce that. Tony Chacheres? Oh, and our cilantro. Can't forget that. Oh, and also we're going to put some onions on it too. Alright. So let's go ahead and do our seasoning. Open that up. Yes. I love eating. I think eating is one of the pleasures that people get to enjoy. Of course, animals and stuff eat too, but normally their food is not cooked and is alive. So we're going to put some more lemon pepper. So we're going to be getting the first side cooked. And then once the first side is cooked, baked in the oven a little bit. Oh, that's a little bit too much cilantro, but that's okay. That's when you turn it over. After the first side, when you have it in the oven, put it at maybe 350 degrees. When the first side is a little bit brown, after about what? I want to say maybe 20 minutes because it doesn't take salmon very long to cook. It's not like chicken or beef or pork. Let's get some of this. Oh yeah, this is going to be delicious. I don't know if we use the curry powder yet. We're going to use some curry. A little bit of curry. We're going to use some sage. Oh yes, sage. And then did we already use turmeric? I cannot remember, but we're going to put some on there. Yes. And not to forget our onions. Put some onions on there. I do love to cook. I think it's pretty fun. There's like a million and more probably recipes that you can cook and you can make up all on your own. It's a little adventure that you have with yourself. And whomever you're cooking for, they will enjoy it as well. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, y'all can see that? Y'all can see that? I'm not trying to to spill it on. I'm not trying to spill it on the table like I did last time. So you got your spices in there. What you want to do now is to slowly massage, not really massage, well, we'll say the water massages it in. Slowly massage. Slowly massage it. You're rotating it just a little bit, but not too much, because you do not want the spices you put on top of your fish to go away. So, there we go. We'll see the results soon. All right, everyone. So this is the result of these are the results of our salmon, seasoned salmon, and we had the onions on it and everything. It looks a little yellow on this camera, but maybe that's the lighting or something. I'm not really sure. But anyways, it is well seasoned, and we're going to cut into it. We're going to cut into it just for a little taste. A little taste. Look at that. You see that? It's kind of pink, but it's well done on the inside. Wow. That's delicious. I love it. Let me pause just a minute.